Here is how to get your Cliniko API. So in your dashboard, down at the bottom where you have your info, click on My Info. If you scroll down, you will see a section that says you cannot create or use API key. So all you need to do, you see this yes or no, you click on that, make it yes, and then you click on Update User. You just need to put your password in. And now that it's updated, now we have this option, Manage API Key. So you click on that. It opens this up, click on create an API key. You can name it whatever you want. In this case, because you're connecting to our platform, I would call it Clinical Connect. And then I click on create API key. You will only see this once, so you make sure that you copy that and you paste it within the input that we have and then click done. Because if I click done, it will disappear. At any point of time, if you want to cancel or disconnect our connection, you can come in here and make sure that you click on this and you archive it. And this will delete the API key. So this is how you can actually add the API key. Super simple. Let me know if you have any question. Thanks.